Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use Autods with Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, Autods is a dropshipping platform. However, it is unique in the sense that it is a service which allows you to automate most processes for dropshipping. It's going to find products online, which you can then put on your stores either on Shopify or on Amazon, etc. And it's going to automate most other processes such as tracking, order tracking, process tracking, etc., etc. And it's pretty helpful if you're looking to get into dropshipping. Now, there is an integration for Shopify, which you can easily use. And what you need to do is go ahead and search in the top search bar and click on Autods or search for it. And as you can see, it's gonna give you this integration right over here. Just click on that and it's gonna take you over to the storefront. And as you can see, there are premium plans which you can subscribe to, the cheapest one being $26.90, and there is a free trial available if you want to. So just click install, and once that installs, you will need an account on Autods, I'm pretty sure, but let's go ahead and click install over here, and it's gonna take us to this page just to authorize the install, or maybe not. I was expecting that, but it looks like we already did that. And as you can see, now you have Autods installed on your Shopify. And let's just wait for this to actually load up properly. I'm not sure what it's taking so long, but that is pretty much all you need to do. Once you get Autods installed, it's probably going to ask you to log in. So let's just wait and see what happens. I'm pretty sure you will need to log in somewhere here, but that is not the case as of yet. And I'm not sure why it's taking so long to sign up or to load, but as you can see, it'll give you the options to subscribe if you aren't already. I won't be doing that, but once you subscribe, you just need to open up an account and subscribe to a plan, and then you will be able to use Autods with Shopify. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.